Good morning and welcome back. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about your next step in the creating your online course. Currently, if you haven't checked it out, check out educatoronlineresources.yolosite.com. That's my website I go to. Once you get there, if you go under online resources, it lists the 7 steps right here. So we got 2 more steps. This is step 6, publishing your course and your learning management system. So what you want to do is you're going to go to your learning management system. And if you already have your course, so for this one, I'm doing a digital escape room as one of my assignments, trying to do stuff online. Right now it is unpublished. So when I'm ready to publish it, I just go on the right hand side here where the cogwheel's at and hit publish. And it says, okay, you want to publish it, and then it's going to open it up, and then I can go through each assignment in here and say, okay, when do I want this to start? So I'm going to edit. They can start viewing it right away since it's published. And then I'm going to lock each assignment until I get the other, for the escape room, until I get each one completed. And then once they get completed, they can go to the next step. But that is how you unpublish your site. Again, if you're having any questions about it, most learning management systems, which I scroll down here, are listed below. They have a lot of videos online. So right now, Schoology, these are your support videos that go through how to create your course and how to set everything up. I don't want to recreate the wheel. I'm just going through the basics. So that's it for publishing your course. Just remember, stay safe, wash your hands, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.